Alright, PaxForex support, technical support. Got some problems once again with opening a trade. Show the ask line, and I'm going to try to show you guys what's kind of going on, because this is a little bit odd. So here we have the trading lines, the current market value for these lines here, and yeah, so I'm going to enter a trade, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going on. So if I sell this at this current position, it should get in at 1397.4, okay, or 0.5, whatever. So I'm going to sell it, and you watch. You see that? It entered me in at 1396. The market was up here, and it's should have never done that. And so, you know, I don't want to hear that the market was volatile or anything like that, because that is the most lame excuse ever, and I don't really want to hear it. So I'll do it again. You know, 1397. The market's not even moving that much. So sold it. Look at there. It just jumped down to the bottom of where my last entry was. That is completely far off the rocker right there by, you know, almost 1.5 pips. So there's no market volatility. So if you guys sit there and want to try and tell me that there's market volatility, there's no market volatility right now at 6:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There is nothing. So I'm a little frustrated because my entries are not precise to the market value, what's showing on the screen. So I just wanted to throw this out at you guys, see what you could do about it and get it fixed. Please. Thank you.